Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers here with another parts showcase. Today we want to talk about the RV vent lid. Very simple product, right? You have vents in your RV. What they do is allow you to get fresh air into your coach, allow you to circulate fresh air in your coach. I like to even keep mine open when I'm going down the road. What can happen to a vent? Sticks, trees, even rocks. I've seen rocks thrown up by semis and have hit people's vent lids. Hailstorms, things like that. Here's the important thing. Regularly check your vent lids, make sure that they're not cracked, make sure they're not sun damaged, make sure they haven't been damaged in any way. If they are, it's very, very important to replace them right away. There's a lot of different replacements out there. One thing you want to pay very, very, very close attention to when you go to get yours replaced is the hinge, okay? What you'll see is actually different on numerous of these vent lids is the hinge itself. Trying to just get this out so you can look at it real quick. You can see this is one solid hinge. It's all one piece. Some of them will have 2, 3 hinges. So just make sure that you check the hinge out before you buy one. What I like to do is just remove mine, take it to the store with me, and then I make sure I get exactly what I need. But again, very important, make sure these things are good and solid. No damage, no holes, no cracks. Even a crack that you don't think is maybe gone all the way through on a trip, it can start to leak. Then you're going to have water issues. If you have any other questions, give us a call. You can talk to one of our technicians. Installation's incredibly easy, I promise you. They just slide right off and slide right back on. But if you're having trouble, call. You can talk to one of our technicians, 877-877-4494. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook.